Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're back at the skate park and we're gonna play on this little mini quarter pipe thingy that I don't know if you can see because I can't tell we're pointing the camera. But yeah, it's pretty small and I really like it. So we're just gonna play on that today. I don't really have any other crazy plans, so let's just jump into getting warmed up and then playing on that goofy little thing. It is in fact really, really small and there's not much to do on it, but it's really fun. All right. Oh, I died. Oh no. Right in front of the camera too. So, I don't usually skate with headphones on, but I'm gonna try it today and see how it goes. Hopefully I don't get in my head too much. I feel like the camera's not set correctly because it feels pretty loose. I don't know. Oh, that was so bad. 180. This is my favorite stall. That one right there. That one right there. Favorite stall. I don't know why, it just feels so cool all the time. Let's do a 5-0. Nope, just kidding. Nope, just kidding. Other 180. Count it. How's the land? No one was here to see otherwise. Ah! Need to work on my balance. I really should warm up, but I don't know how to do that. This is my warm up, I guess. All right, now let's do a 5-0. I think that was it. Smith, maybe? Nope. I need to get locked onto it. Weirdest drop in ever. Ready? Ah! Ah! I locked in just fine, but I scared myself. Can I even kickflip flat ground right now? Nope. I think I like that. Oh, well, now until I look at that camera. I wonder if I could do some like old school stuff I used to as a kid. And by old school, I mean like do a 5-0, kick off, go back in. Would that be kind of cool? So something like that, but not that. Ah, that probably was it. I can do that. Ah, that probably was it. Ah, that scared me. I love that no comply. Now, but when I do that, I'm here, go back on. I don't know if I want to do like the 5-0 in or little tail stall in. I don't know. That was too fast. I haven't done a blunt either. Let's do that first. Now I can't do blunt to fakies, so it's just gonna be blunt to 5-0 or something. Similar to that. Want to see a full cap? First try. See, I ollied up and my weight goes forwards and then I lose it. Gotta control my weight and my positioning. Ah! Ah, my back foot. Ah! That's the reason why I got too scared. I felt wobbly. That was a good lock on for the blunt though. All right, I'll land it on this try now. I didn't mean that one, I meant the next one. That was bad. Might have looked good, but it was bad. That was so sloppy, so bad. Can I pop shove it on there? Oh, that would have sucked. Imagine that, just whoop, bam, on my side. Blah, blah. Okay, maybe not. I don't want to give up on it, but it's not doing what I want it to. Ah! Ah! That's really cool feeling, just because you're kicking off, bringing it back, and then throwing it back on. But I really don't think I'm throwing it back that far. We'll get it at some point. Heel flip. I can do this. Oh God! Oh God! That was scary. I felt my foot slide that way. I didn't want that. It's a big spin. I land that. With editing, I land that. You saw nothing. 2 more tries. Can I get it in 2 more tries? I fell. Hey, camera. What is wrong with me? Disaster. Oh, that was really cool. Oh, that was really cool. Nose blunt, something like that. I don't know skateboard tricks. Now, to be fair, it really doesn't help me that much because I can take it to the quarter, like big one, and it doesn't do anything for me. I haven't done rock and roll or rock to fakie. That's easy. Whee! Whee! And then same thing for a rock to fakie. Again, if I did that on the quarter, straight up dead. That's actually how I tore the ligament in that ankle. I'm gonna take a break for a little bit, maybe skate around, do something else. That's kind of fun. I just wanted to play on it for a little bit. We might do something else. I don't know yet. Pretty tired. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much done today. I don't see anything else that I really want to do or work on. I know I probably should because it's been a while since I've skated, but I don't know. I'm just not feeling it 100% today, so I had a lot of fun doing that. But I do want to jump into this on my board. I can't remember if I do it on this side or if I do it in the center. I think it's like that, but I'm also more comfortable doing it that way. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try it in the middle. I caught my sleeve. But yes, it's definitely that side that I do it on. I don't remember it being that crazy. Darn it. We'll just do this way. I count it. That's all I wanted. Okay, I'm done for today. Sorry it wasn't anything crazy, but I'm tired. Oh, how'd you fall? When did that happen?